Shows you how to do it on the box, so it's not too hard. Easiest way to see where your wiring harness goes, laid out on the ground. This is for your light bar, so I'll have a little funny little plug on the end of it. And this one here with the heat strip is your switch, will go inside the car. This one will be for your battery and negative on your battery, and this other one here goes into your light switch, so you have different plugs for that. Well, this is one of the other plugs. Are you filming? Yeah. This is one of the other plugs you get in there. So this will be for your HID wiring kit. So they'll plug into there, and then you plug it into this bit. So come around, I'll show you this plug. So you just pull this one out here. That one pulls out there. You plug that into that. And then back into there. So that's that bit there. And that wiring harness clip goes there. So, done. Well, that's that bit. Now it's this bit where you plug into your H3 plug. So you plug that into there, and then that's a spare plug like the other one, and then this goes into your wiring harness. So that's another style technique you can use these light bars.
That's going from. We wasn't confined to oh, now you sort it.
Sounds so like someone's been smoking cones.
Oh, is that?
Not me, mate. I don't smoke that shit.
Dickhead. Alright, Mum, I'll let you go.
Power first.